Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Once you see it, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see AMAZFIT Cheetah, your watch basically. Now, let's scroll through this page and find the notifications and reminders option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have three types of notifications. We have app notifications, incoming calls, and incoming SMS. Of course, the app notifications is notifications for applications on your phone. Next we have the calls, and then messages. First, let's tap on the app notifications. If you don't have the required permissions enabled for the notifications to work, you will see this warning message at the top. And if you see it, you need to tap on this message and then tap on OK and allow the required permission. And once you allow it, you will be able to turn on the notifications. And after you turn them on, you will be also able to enable or disable the option to notify only when the phone is locked. And you can also customize the quick responses for the applications like WhatsApp and stuff like that. And you can basically edit the content of the quick response. You can add a quick response, and you can edit the order of them. For example, you can move this one to the top, tap on done, or you can remove them. So if you tap on edit, you can tap on the minus to remove them. Okay, and once you've done with the responses, now we can go to customize which apps should send the notifications to your watch. And basically we have the list of applications on our phone, and we can enable and disable the notifications for them separately, basically for each app specifically. For example, here we have Discord, and by default all of the applications will be enabled, but you can turn them off. And how it works is, if you enable the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see it only on your phone. So that's how it works. So you can customize this to your liking. And once you're done, you can go back. And now we can deal with the incoming calls. So if you want to receive the notifications about calls, you need to tap on incoming calls. And here, if you have the warning message, you need to tap on it and allow the required permissions. Like this. And once you allow the required permissions, you can turn on the notifications. And here you can also enable the option to show the contact information. So basically it will display the number or the name of the contact if it's saved on your phone. Then we can also enable the auto reply SMS, and you can again edit the messages, and we can also enable the delay, and this allows you to basically delay the alert on your watch. So if somebody calls you, the watch will wait said period of time until it starts alerting you about the call. And you can set the delay right here. You can tap on set delay, and you can select one duration. For example, let's say we want 20 seconds. So the watch will wait 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds it will start vibrating and basically alerting me about the call. And finally we have the incoming SMS, and we can turn it on right here by tapping on the switch. And if you turn it on, you should see the notifications from the messages on your watch. Now the notifications are enabled and we should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should work because I enabled the Discord in the list of applications. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch, and it is here, which means it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.